So the project's approach to the Archviz program was showing architectural functionality and systems as well as design aspects throughout a room we were given. So throughout this video I shall be showing said features and yeah. So here to start with we have the light switch. This is linked to the hallway lights above, on and off through a variant manager, I believe. Here same with the kitchen lights. These had an emissive material linked to them. Further in we have the fridge. This is another variant. It came with 3 variants that I could find and linked successfully to the area it was placed. Here we have the living room, main area, and the dining room. Interchangeable chair and table, again with 3 options. Living room area has got a few options that will be shown shortly. Here we have the blinds that are linked to the switch as long as the lights. The idea is that the lights will go off and the blinds will come up on a delay. The outside area was meant to be accessible, but that caused many bugs. As you can see, the lights are off and the natural lighting is taken over. Moving to the settee, another few variants to show. And the renders hadn't gone for that one, excuse that. For the table, again. I do believe that was just out of the capsule's range for the highlight component. That could be fixed in the future. Same with this one. Another 3 variants for that shelf. The doors have open functionality and animation, showing off the main bedroom. The light switches are linked to the lights and the blinds, doing the same as the living room. As you can see there. When turned off, the lights turn on and the blinds close on animation. This switch flicks the desk lights. And the computer here changes the textures of the wall. So let's check in the bed there. So we have the desks here, 1 gaming, 1 work. We have the bathroom, another door animation. This time I have fixed the sink. The living room from the hallway. And a kitchen walkthrough. A lot of open space. Okay, so here is the sofa blueprint, showing through upon click it switches its variant through the variant manager. As you can see via the widget displayed in the top, it creates the UI. If I scroll across a little, adds it to the viewport and then sets the cursor mode and the mouse position, allowing the player to move around as long as they close the eye. Same here with the table. It creates the UI on the player's screen. Oh, excuse me. And sets the player's mouse position so they can move. Where were the other ones? Oh, yep, here. This was linked to, there was an array linked into it. So the lights individually will be linked to turn off, and the blinds will also be linked, as you can see just above the lights to control on the far right. As you see, all the lights are linked. And here is the light switch interaction. There were 2 versions. There's one for the light switch alone and the ones with the blinds. This one alone is the... Oh, nearly past the time limit. This one is the blinds. You can see the blind movement timeline. A flip-flop probably would have been better here. Okay, so moving into the bedroom here, we have the desks, blinds, lamp and bed. We also have this light switch here linked to the lights and the blinds, as you can see in the blueprint here, showing that when it's clicked, reverses the blinds and lights. This one here controls the desk lights. These were made through an emissive material. As you can see there. Work desk. This laptop, however, is linked to the wallpaper, is the only way I could put it in really. As you can see through here, similar UI design to the sofas and all the interactables in the living room, same through a variant manager. The blinds here linked to the light switch, and the walls not archers, not an archers, not a variant, sorry. Up here, all the useless stuff like the navigation, post-process, all that's just kept out of the way. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.